everyone and welcome to News Movement English. I'm Shiny Day. Let's start today's news. But before that, I wish you all a very happy Durga Puja. Hello viewers, News Movement team extends its best wishes to all on the auspicious occasion of Dussehra. It also hoped that equality of gender in terms of duties and rights would be obtained one day. The women will be as free as men in the society. They would be able to protest every atrocities and inhuman behavior of men. The Chief Advisor of News Movement, Sri S.M. Hashmi, has also extended his greetings on the evening of Dussehra. The Border Security Force (BSF) officers will now have the power to arrest, search and of seizure to the extent of 50 km inside 3 new states sharing international boundaries with Pakistan and Bangladesh. The Ministry of Home Affairs claims that recent drone droppings of weapons for across the border have prompted this expansion in the jurisdiction of the BSF. However, this move is quickly snowballing into a debate of state autonomy. The Chief Minister of Punjab has already protested against it. He said that, "I strongly condemned the government's unilateral decision to give additional powers to BSF within 50 km belts running along the international borders, which is a direct attack on the federalism. I urge the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to immediately roll back this irrational decision." Charanjit Singh Channi tweeted, "The MHA claims that this decision has been taken to curb illegal activities linked to national security in 10 states and 2 union territories, but it might also raise administrative and political issues. This is very politically sensitive move. The main aim of BSF is to guard border and stop infiltration. The recent cases have shown that they have not been able to guard the delineated line." A senior police officer claims that, according to him, this may also lead to regular confrontational with local police and also villagers. When searches and seizures are done, their operational duties are around border outposts, but with these new powers they would also operate well within jurisdictions of some states, he added. "If we have intelligence of any case, we will not have to wait for local police to respond, and we can take preventive actions well in time," counters a senior BSF officers. As per the new notification, the BSF officers will be able to conduct searches and arrests over a wider area in West Bengal, Punjab and Assam. BSF has got the right to take this action under the Code of Criminal Procedure, the Passport Act and the Passport Act of Entry to India. In Assam, West Bengal and Punjab, the BSF have got this right to search and arrest just like the state police. The MHA has given permission for raids and arrests up to an area of 50 km inside Indian territory from the international border along India-Pakistan and India-Bangladesh. Earlier, their range was 15 km. In addition to this, BSF will also be able to search and arrest in Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur and Ladakh. However, along with this, the jurisdiction of BSF in Gujarat has been reduced and the extent of the border has been reduced from 80 km to 50 km to bring uniformity, while in Rajasthan the radius area has been kept 50 km as before. No boundaries have been set for the 5 northeastern states of Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura and Manipur, and along with this there is no boundary set in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The officers claims that in these states BSF is deployed in internal security duties, so they operate accordingly. The new notification also empowers an officers of a rank corresponding to that of the lowest ranking member of the BSF under the CRPC to exercise and discharge the powers and duties without an order from a magistrate and without a warrant. This Section 139 of the Border Security Force Act 1968 empowers the Center to notify from time to time the area and extent of operations of the Border Security Force. The Union Home Minister has issued a notification modifying the schedule of the border areas where the BSF will have the powers of search, seizure and arrest under acts like Passport Act, NDPS Act and Customs Act. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes from class 8 to 10, class 11-12, Science, Arts, Commerce, Bengali and English, Graduation Honors and Program, Computer Science plus Application, Economics, Sanskrit, Pol Science, Philosophy, BCom, and we also provided all types of competitive classes like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. Our contact number are 9932864067 and 8116183079. According to reporter Sitaram and Twinkle Barnwal, turban distribution ceremony by Shiv Shaktan Mahavir Dal Akhara on the occasion of Vijayadashami on Friday. The event was held at Banpur Shivasthan Mandir premises where the chief guest was Minister of State for Public Works and Law Malay Ghatak, former MLA Shoharab Ali, President of Bengal Primary Teachers Association Ashok Rudra, Pawan Gudkutia, Praveer Dhar, Rajesh Singh also present. Gauri Shankar Singh, the General Secretary of the Organizing Committee, Jashwit Singh, Ajay Rai, Balbir Singh, Om Prakash Singh, Utpal Sen, Advocate Sangram Singh, Mahesh Agarwal, Dr. A.K. Jha, Kanhaiya Sharma, Meghdut Prasad, the editor of News Movement, R.N. Singh of AITUC, Mumtaz Ahmed of HMS, Pavin Singh of BJP were also present there. Well, now let us hear what Sri Gauri Shankar Singh of Central Akhara Committee says.
आपके परिश्रम से 21,000 का फॉर्म मिला। इसके लिए आप सभी को के निवासियों के तरफ से आपको अनुरोध करता हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आगे भी इसी तरह आप लोगों को सहयोग देते रहेंगे। सर, ये बहुत पुरानी संस्था है कि आप सभी लोगों को सहयोग देकर चलते हैं और इसको का काफी सम्मान हम लोग सर आपसे मिलेंगे, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
Sri Arvind Singh, the ED Works of SEL ISP, commented that
एक बहुत अच्छा संदेश समाज को भाईचारे के साथ कैसे रहा जाता है, पर्व कैसे मनाया जाता है, एक बहुत ही अच्छा संदेश जाता है। क्योंकि मैं दूसरे जगह भी रहा हूँ, भिलाई भी रहा हूँ, बोकारो में रहा हूँ, लेकिन इस तरह की परंपरा वहाँ हमने नहीं देखा। तो ये बंगाल की धरती की, बनपुर की धरती की बहुत बड़ी मिसाल है और आप लोगों का सहयोग, आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद, आप लोगों का दुआ से इसको स्टेट प्लांट बहुत ही अच्छा कर रहा है और हो सकता है कि भविष्य में आप लोगों को एक अच्छी खबर ये सुनने को मिले कि जितना बड़ा प्लांट अभी आपका है 3 मिलियन का, उतना ही बड़ा प्लांट आप बनाने के लिए सेल कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस, स्टील मिनिस्ट्री इसके तरफ अग्रसर है, ऐसा विचार चल रहा है। हो सकता है कि आईएसपी आने वाले दिनों में प्लांट शहर इंडिया का, भारत का सबसे सुंदर प्लांट, सबसे सुंदर शहर होगा। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
the chief guest Sri Malay Ghatak said that every section is affected due to the corona epidemic. In such a situation, it is the responsibilities of everyone to be aware of the corona epidemic and make others aware as well.
सभी यहाँ पर पधारे। यहाँ पर आपका एसपी सेल का मिस्टर सिंह आए हैं, मिस्टर कपूर शाह आए हैं, कपूर चटर्जी आए हैं, आप लोग का नेक्स्ट लेवल सुरावली जी आए हैं, सभी उपस्थित हैं। हम लोग का इस कार्यक्रम का एक परंपरा है कि हम लोग कोई भी त्योहार हो, कोई भी पूजा हो, तो हम लोग कंधा में कंधा मिलाकर, हाथ से हाथ मिलाकर इसको निभाते हैं और हर साल बहुत ही शांति का रूप से हम लोग इसको निभाते हैं। इस बार दुर्गा पूजा आज बस्ती है, सबको दशमी का मेरा शुभकामनाएं दे रहा हूँ और आज विसर्जन भी होगा। हम लोग का पश्चिम बंगाल सरकार और कलकत्ता हाईकोर्ट का कोविड परिस्थिति के लिए कुछ निर्देश है। हम लोग के इस शिल्पांचल में करीब करीब सभी पंडाल, सभी पूजा इस निर्देश को पालन किया है और जो विसर्जन होगा मेरा ख्याल से हम लोग सभी इसको पालन करेंगे और बहुत ही शांति का रूप से आप लोग आज का दिन बिताएंगे। शुभ विजय माँ का जो निवेदन होता है उसके बाद हम लोग गले से गले मिलते हैं, मिठाई हम लोग बंटवारा करते हैं, खाते भी हैं। तो मैं तो सबको मेरा तरफ से फिर से एक बार इस विजयादशमी का शुभकामनाएं आप लोग को दे रहा हूँ और माँ का पास इतना प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि हम लोग का इस शिल्पांचल में सभी परिवार सुखी रहे, खुशी रहे, सबका परिवार में तरक्की हो और सभी का स्वास्थ्य हेल्थ अच्छा रहे। कोरोना वायरस अभी तक यह नहीं, लेकिन हम लोग अगर अच्छा से इसको पालन करेंगे तो कोरोना वायरस को जरूर हमको हराएंगे, कोरोना वायरस जरूर चला जाएगा। हम लोग सैनिटाइज करेंगे, सोशल डिस्टेंस।
Challenge 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with court agreement. JEE and NEET coaching by Motion, the Durgapur Study Center. Contact us 9434 822 278 and 8900 100 080. According to Ramanand Pashwan, the locals found the injured body in the morning and informed the police of Pandaveshwar police station. After receiving the news of this incident, the police of Pandaveshwar police station reached the spot and recovered the body and took it away. The question is how the body of the 45-year-old man got there and whose body was injured. The local eyewitnesses speculated that someone had killed the man and dumped him elsewhere. Police have started investigating all the incidents soon after the incident on Friday morning. Police are trying to find out the identity of the young man. On the day of Mahadashami, such killings have caused a stir in the mining area. According to reporter Pradeep Singh, on the occasion of Mahashtami, a group recitation of Sri Durga Shaptashati was organized by Jamuriya Narayani Mahila Shamiti at Shakti Mandap Thakurbari. Regarding the problem seen, Neera Agarwal told that every year, on behalf of the Narayani Mahila Shamiti, they organizes the recitation of the musical Durga Saptashati by the women wearing traditional clothes. The same crowd of Mahashtami was seen in various worship pavilions of Jamuria, Boringdanga. Cultural programs was organized by women in areas like Rajpur, Nandigram, including RNS Club. Baul dance was organized in Rajpur, Nandigram, which was thoroughly enjoyed by the common people. According to our reporter Abdul Munaf, till now there has been no solution of routes of Totos and their turn for passengers. Toto wallahs are suffering. Let us have a look on such a problem.
भाई आप ही समझ
न्यूज़ बनेगा सीधा।
आप ही समझिए आप ही समझिए
आप बताइएगा ना आप बताइएगा ना हाँ बोलिए
आप अपने खाली बोलिएगा मेरा भी सुनिएगा।
सुनाइए
हम वहाँ पर लगाए हुए थे पहले से यहाँ 2 गाड़ी भैया लगा हुआ हम जब देखा सब उठा के लेकर चल जा रहा तब हम बोले सब लेके जा रहा सब लेके जा रहा तो हम भी देखे पीछे से हम भी बोले लगा अभी घर से आए चल बोली भी नहीं हम यहाँ पर लगा आते सर भागो भागो यहाँ से भागो अरे आपका मोहल्ला का पसीना आपका मोहल्ला का पसीना लेके जाते हैं आपका मोहल्ला का पसीना लेके जाते हैं हम धक्का का लेके जाते हैं डिपू पाड़ा लेके जाते हैं कभी भी भैया देखे कभी
लेके जाता
दूसरा लेके जाता उसको बोलिए ना भैया जो दूसरा लेके जाता उसको मैंने करेगा कोई यार गला काटिएगा किसी और का ये कहाँ का बात हुआ नहीं ना भैया देखिए किस तरह का मोहल्ला का आदमी लेकर के जा रहा है हम लोग धक्का लेके जाते हैं तो हम लोग को यहाँ गाड़ी नहीं खड़ा कर दिया जाता अब मोहल्ला का आदमी देखिए मोहल्ला का पैसेंजर लेके जा रहा है आप देख लीजिए आप बताइए किसका दोष है हम लोग धक्का लेके जाते हैं तो बोलते हैं यहाँ मत लगाइए अब मोहल्ला का पैसेंजर लेके जा रहा है उसमें बोलते हैं कि हम लोग को नहीं लगाने दें क्या गलती है बताइए हम लोग को हम लोग पेट नहीं है हम लोग नहीं कमा सकते हैं आपका मोहल्ला लेके कभी जाते हैं तो बोलिए आप देख लीजिए मोहल्ला लेके जा रहा है आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते देखिए आपका गाड़ी लेके जा रहा आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप उसको रोक के दिखाइए आप कैसे देख लीजिए भैया आप टंडेली सुन लीजिए बात
पुराना स्टेशन जा रहे हैं अभी क्या बोला तुम्हें सामने
उठाइए ना
बात तो आता है यहाँ पे
भैया उठाए ना पैसेंजर
Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching for medical need AIMS entrance examinations by D.K. Lal Sir. Regular classes for class 11th, 12th and BSc. Contact number 9832 824 975. Puja and festivals are for enjoyment. It does not mean that one has got the right of violating road safety norms. Some are riding on their bikes with 3 other family members. Police is only mute spectators. Here we have 2 photos of a place which is very near Asansol South Police Station, that is AMC Mode.
Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800-258-7060.
According to our reporter Lali Gupta, workers are worried about not getting paid. The complaint alleges that 130 workers worked under NMS India, a contractor at a private power plant called Impex Ferrotech in Kalavaida area under Kulte Police Station in Asansol. The workers find out that the contracted company did not pay their fees and the contractor fled the factory. After that, the workers came to know about the incident and informed the Chorango Fari police about the incident on Friday. Coming on the next news, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi today dedicated 7 new defence companies to the nation. Speaking on the occasion, he said that The country's self-reliance in defense preparedness will increase with the conversion of 41 ordnance factories into 7 companies. The Prime Minister said that the government and the public sector have joined hands for national security, which will strengthen the Indian economy and take it to new beginnings. The Prime Minister said that the country's defense sector witnesses a lack of innovation since independence. He said that the 7 new companies will take forward the efforts of the government towards progress and self-reliance in the defense sector. The Prime Minister said that the orders of more than 65,000 crore rupees with these companies are proof that the trust of the company is increasing in them. Prime Minister urged startup companies to be a part of the new big journey by leveraging each other's research and expertise. He said that the government has not only provided better production environment to these 7 new companies but has also given full functional autonomy. The Prime Minister said that the government has ensured that the interests of the employees are fully taken care of. SMS of the moment: be kind to people. You might become the life giving hope in their hopeless lives. To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notifications.